What's up, good people? We're back here at one of our flips. We showed you a while back, about 2 months ago, what it looked like before we started the renovation. Now we're gonna walk you through what it looks like after we're done. Check it out. So one of the big things we did was obviously change the paint color and lighten it up with a new floor. On the kitchen side, there used to be a big wall right here that extended to the edge of this countertop, and then there was another half wall over there. What we did was knock this down and made a peninsula to open up the place. Looks much bigger. So then we'll have a dining area that's kind of connected to the kitchen space in the living space. And so it turned out really nice. It's a small house, but it's a really nice house. Everything's brand new. We replaced the patio door. We'll have new appliances, added some kitchen cabinets and a nice granite countertop. So let's check out what we did down here in the bathroom. Nice tile in the bathroom with the black and white with a nice wood grain vanity. It turned out really nice. And so here in the bedrooms, it's just new flooring, new paint, new windows everywhere, good size master. So we're hoping this house sells pretty quick. So we'll put it on the market here in the next week and we'll see how it goes. All right, check us out in the future for more. We have a few more renovations coming up.
You envision, we remodel. A-Team Renovations.